Hi guys, I'm Montana with Crockd, and today I am going to give you an inside look into the Crockd DIY Pottery Kit. First, be sure to subscribe, and then we'll get started. Inside the Crockd Pottery Kit is a tote bag with 2 separate bags of clay, wooden pottery tools, clay breakers, and an instruction booklet. The clay breakers are a super special part of the kit. They are question cards designed to make it easier for you to have a meaningful conversation with whomever you're sharing the kit with. Even if you're crafting alone, the clay breakers can be used to self-reflect, or you can use them without the kit. The instruction booklet that comes with the pottery kit is packed with straightforward info and ideas for pottery beginners, and has step-by-step instructions for 8 different pieces. So if you're stuck on what to make with your kit or don't know where to start, you'll have plenty of ideas laid out for you. The instructions, as well as your actual Crockd box, also contain steps for taking care of your pottery after it's all made up. So whether you want to air dry your piece and paint it with acrylic paint, or take it to a local kiln to get fired, you'll have all the info you need. Let's check out the tools and clay. Each bag of clay has a big block of clay inside that is perfect for hand building. The wooden tools are sturdy and perfect for trimming, cutting, scoring, and smoothing your clay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next.